Hi, this is John here with the Evolving World. Today I'm doing a video on upgrading the high voltage battery pack on a Chevy Bolt EV. So I have a 2017 model, and this has been an open recall right here. I'm a little bit of a laggard here, but I'm finally at the point where I'm ready to go ahead and upgrade the battery. So I just want to do a quick video, just kind of show what's happening here. Just kind of show us what we have here. One of these tanks is going to be drained when they replace the battery pack and then filled back up again. And so we're at 84,573 miles right now. And this is the day before, so by this time tomorrow we should have a brand new battery pack. This one's not touching. So this is our weight right here. 3478 as it sits. Okay, so now it's the next day. So I just got the car back. It was a 2-day job. I wish they would have told me that earlier on, but they didn't. Other than that, looks like everything's been done pretty nicely. I don't have any complaints here. This is the battery coolant reservoir right here. This looks to be at the proper level. A little bit of spillage right there, but nothing serious or anything. So that's good. Hopefully that retains itself. They purged all the air out of the system. Would be my only worry as far as that goes. But I mean, I'm not going to worry about it as long as it looks good. I think we're okay. And the only problem that I've noticed right on is that it's a 9-mile drive to the dealership. When I drove there, I got 5.5 miles per kilowatt, and that was on the freeway, which is above average for freeway driving. Coming home today, I got 2.1, which is freaking crazy. I was driving in heavy traffic, going like 30 miles an hour half the way. So that's freaking crazy. I don't know what the deal is with that. Here it is up on the scales. Now we know that the new battery pack weighs 947 pounds. That's been disclosed. And we know it has 6 kilowatts more of power, which is about 10% more power than the original battery, comparing new battery to new battery. But how much more does it weigh? Because if it weighs 200 pounds more, then it probably won't make a whole hell of a lot of difference. But if it doesn't weigh that much more, it could be quite interesting. So this is the number right here, 3491. That's only, or 92. That's only like 13 pounds more. That's pretty impressive. Now if it weighed 200 pounds more, that would not be impressive, but only 13 pounds more gets us another 10%. That's gonna be pretty nice here. That's not even gonna be noticeable as far as the weight difference. That's not even remotely noticeable. So here's our new battery pack right here, N2.2, whatever that means. Some additional info right there. Nice shiny new battery pack, like a brand new car. Just went for a drive the day after getting the battery done. It was getting me a little bit nervous there, but it all turned out to work out pretty good. Went for 203 miles, started at 85% or so, and we still got about 15% here with 203 miles. Check out the miles per kilowatt. That's pretty astounding. It was ideal weather though. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to plug it in and we're going to charge it all the way up to 100%. So it's been about 7 hours and 45 minutes here, and it's been showing full for at least the last half an hour, although it keeps on charging. And I'm thinking it's probably just relearning its new capacity, so being about 15% bigger than it was before, it's probably just keeps on going here. So anyway, I just unplugged it. Here we are the next day. It's about 23 hours later. And I did not drive at all today, but the computer has continued to update a little bit here. As you can see here, we were at 295, now we're at 255. Oh, wait a minute, now it just went up to 256. and we dropped from 100% down to 90%. So I guess the computer is learning. Even when the car is off, it still continues to learn on its own. It's realizing that the battery is bigger, so it's just, it's not quite full yet, so it just makes adjustments. So anyway, I guess we'll plug it back in and then see how far this thing goes. Okay, so I plugged it in and charged it up a little bit more. And I lost track of the time, unfortunately, but it had to be at least 8, maybe 8.5 hours total. But it is fully charged now, so this is what it's saying. As you can see, all bars are full now. 301 miles, max 355. So that's probably about right, considering what I was doing right before I plugged in. I was getting 5.8 miles a kilowatt, so it's probably averaging something in that range. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done here. I think the operation was a success. And now we have basically a brand new car here that we can drive. Probably get ourselves a good 270, 280 mile range here, if not 301. So yeah, should be looking good here. So I think that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you did. Many more videos to come.